Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you all this new Air 28 bottle dual wine cooler that I got. So you'll notice that my wine cooler is not plugged on. That's because when you receive any type of refrigerator or wine cooler, you want to allow the gases to settle before you actually plug it on. So I wouldn't be plugging it on right now, but I will do that once everything settles. So I just want to show you guys. So this is what the inside of the cooler looks like. You have shelves, 3 shelves up top, and then you have 2 shelves at the bottom here. And dual means that you can have one temperature at the top and you can have another temperature at the bottom. So if you guys don't own a wine cooler, it's something that I think everyone should own. It's really convenient because wine tends to take up a lot of space in your fridge, especially if you have a lot of bottles. So let me go ahead and stack some wine bottles in here. Let me show you guys. Here we have a Moscato. So although we put our wines in, sometimes I sneak in a few bottles of water because it fits. And if you guys wanted to, this is just something that I do, I also would remove this shelf and I will stack sodas at the bottom here. So you can put like Coke and Sprite and those drinks. You can probably stack 2, I believe. If it's a small one, if it's a big one, you can only do 1, but you can get 2 rows in here. And you can even put them laying down on the shelves if you wanted to. That's if you're a Trini and you're doing things differently. But you can only stock it with wine if you wanted to. So do you guys like this? If you guys like this wine cooler, I'll leave the link to purchase it in the description box. So if you guys don't own a wine cooler and if you can afford it, invest in this. I'll leave the link for it down in the description box. If you make this purchase, do let me know. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.